We thought only humans could think. We were wrong. Crows belong to the corvid family and show some of the highest intelligence ever seen in birds. They solve multi-step puzzles using tools in sequence. A crow can take a short stick to reach a longer one, then use it to pull food out of a narrow tube. Studies show they remember human faces for years and can tell the difference between a threat and a harmless observer. But they don't just react, they plan ahead. They think about what will happen next and act before it does. This intelligence helps them survive in constantly changing environments. In cities and forests where food is unpredictable, planning makes the difference. They hide food, avoid traps, and adapt faster than most species around them. Their memory helps them navigate social life. They recognize individuals, avoid danger, and take advantage of human-created resources. Because of this, crows don't just survive, they outcompete other species and expand into even the most crowded places on Earth. They don't just live among us, they understand more than we ever expected. Elephants are highly social animals with deep emotional bonds. They display behaviors that resemble mourning, touching the bones of the dead, standing silently near bodies, and even returning to these places years later. These actions suggest not only memory, but emotional awareness. They also recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare ability in the animal kingdom. An elephant can use its reflection to explore its own body, showing a clear sense of self. Their memory is extraordinary, allowing them to recall routes to water and food across vast distances, even after long periods of drought. In the harsh environments of Africa and Asia, these abilities are essential. Precise memory helps elephants locate distant water sources and nutrient-rich plants during dry seasons, even when conditions become extreme. Strong family bonds reinforce the herd, improving protection from predators and allowing knowledge to pass between generations. Self-awareness supports coordination within large groups, reducing conflict and helping use resources more efficiently. For elephants, intelligence is not just remarkable, it is the key to survival. Dolphins communicate using unique signature whistles that function like names, allowing them to recognize one another within large groups. They engage in complex play, passing skills to younger individuals and forming stable social alliances. Their communication system includes whistles and clicks, which help them coordinate group hunting with remarkable precision. Different dolphin populations even develop their own hunting techniques, learned and shared across generations. This social intelligence is essential for survival in the open ocean. Where food is scattered, coordinated communication allows dolphins to hunt efficiently and avoid predators like sharks. Play and learning strengthen social bonds, ensuring support in times of injury or illness. Individual names reduce confusion within large pods, improving coordination and group stability. In a constantly changing marine environment, this ability to communicate, learn, and cooperate gives dolphins a powerful advantage. Their intelligence is not just complex, it is what allows them to survive and thrive in the vast ocean. Chimpanzees are skilled tool makers, shaping and sharpening sticks to hunt small mammals. They also use tools to extract termites and access hidden food like honey. Their behavior shows advanced problem-solving and planning. They live in complex social systems with clear hierarchies. Alliances and strategies determine access to food and status within the group. Chimpanzees also engage in coordinated intergroup conflicts that resemble territorial battles. Another remarkable ability is self-medication. They swallow bitter leaves and specific plants to fight parasites and maintain their health. This knowledge is learned and shared within the group. In the forests of Africa, these skills are essential for survival. Tool use provides access to otherwise unreachable food. Social strategies strengthen cooperation in finding food and raising young. Self-medication reduces disease, helping the group remain strong. For chimpanzees, intelligence is not just an advantage, it is a key to survival. Bumblebees, despite their tiny brains, can learn from each other. We often think intelligence needs a large brain, but these insects prove otherwise. They watch and copy techniques to extract nectar, learning by simple observation. One bee discovers a method and others repeat it. They also solve problems. In experiments, bumblebees pull strings to reach food they cannot access directly. This shows flexibility and the ability to adapt to new situations. And once one bee learns, the behavior spreads through the colony. Even with short-term memory, they optimize routes between flowers. They choose paths that save time and energy, building efficient foraging patterns. These abilities are not just impressive, they are essential for survival. Flowers bloom for a short time, and resources change quickly. Learning from others helps them find food faster and avoid wasting energy. Problem-solving allows them to deal with wind, rain, and dense plants. Inside the colony, shared knowledge increases efficiency and improves their chances to survive and reproduce. Intelligence is not a human invention. It appears wherever it is needed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.